Hi there, I made these sugar skull designs with my laser engraver and was so happy with the detail on them I thought I'd show you what I had in mind when I made them. It's a good idea to press down on the edges of your rubber mat, otherwise they can kind of stretch and slide around. So I always press around the outside before I roll over the top. Yeah, really loving the detail on these, and they're all six of them are different, but they use the same cutter, so it's a simple case of just cutting out them all using the one cutter. So black's a little bit hard to see on video. I hope you can see what I'm doing, but I'm basically just going to highlight the top of these with a variety of different colors. On the top row I'm using acrylic paints. These are Jacquard Lumiere paints. I really like them. They seem to be very compatible with polymer clay, and they have really nice opaque metallic paints. And it doesn't look like, a whole lot now, but once you add some gloss varnish or something, you'll find that the color really pops. And I'm just using my finger here because some of the details, like the eyes, are set a little bit lower. It's just a little bit easier to get it into exactly the spots that I want. On the bottom row I'm going to use some mica powders. I have these little sample packs that I got from Jet Age Studios. They're an American company, and they just have really vibrant colors. I really like the color changing metallics, and so these are absolutely super for that. You do have to wait for the acrylic paint to dry. If you don't, then you'll get bubbles when you bake it. So make sure it's completely dry and then you can bake them. And here they are after baking. I did add some gloss varnish. You really do have to. The surface effects will scratch off fairly easily if they're going to be handled at all. Plus it really does make the colors pop. You could use resin if you wanted to. I just didn't want to lose the texture on these. Thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful to you.